Welcome back, everyone, to No, I'm Not Human. I wanted to do that Iron Lung bit for a little while now. I know the very end of it is, Family Day. Is very, not entertaining, but, There's a small group of female employees standing by your neighbor's house. You wonder what they're talking about. Maybe it's about taking soil samples, or looking for somewhere to set up base. The charred husks of teenage bodies are lying on the ground. It looks like they've been there all day. Two female employees are standing next to the bodies and writing some down. It's a good thing they showed up to take away the corpses. You'll hate to think what kind of diseases could spread if decaying flesh was left to rot out there. Ugh. Poor kids. You see a group of armed soldiers through the window. Apparently a small squad has been sent from the city to provide security for FEMA employees. You hear some fragments of information about a pale man with a bare torso. Maybe they want to track down that creepy visitor. Is that the man that's, Okay, Jesus. Hello? That's the, guy. Howdy. What do you want? Spacious house you got yourself here. I like it. I don't need anything from you. No, you don't. So, you alone? No, I'm not alone. It's your lucky day. I can hear someone whispering inside, but who knows where they'll be in a few days. The pale man's here. Good morning, homeowner. Are you renting out rooms here? Something like that. Rather vague answer. Well, fine. I suppose we can finalize an agreement at a later date. Backdated appropriately, of course. Although, in lieu of a formal contract, how much do you charge per night? I don't need your money. I apologize, but I can't in good conscience reside under your roof without paying due rent. It's improper. Worse, it's illegal. Either I pay or I'm not setting a foot inside. You should leave. Excuse me? Did you just say I should leave? Was that a threat? You might want to reconsider your tone. I could interpret that as a threat to my life. Which incidentally, Article 119 of the Constitution, and trust me, that wouldn't look very good for you. Have a pleasant day. Okay, dude. What the fuck? I just told him to leave. It wasn't a threat. So we meet again. I remember things a bit different last time we crossed paths, yet we remain alive. It's a strange thing. I don't know how to explain it. I'd like to start our conversation with a divination. Tell my fortune by choosing a page in this book. Where should I open it to? Right in the middle. Who are you? Me? Am I? You? You were home. Yes, a tragic story indeed. Is this what awaits us? It's quite possible. What does it mean? I need to think it through carefully. Do you have any insights to offer? No. Anyway, I came here to tell you something. Events will soon begin to unfold. You need to be ready. It may sound strange, but the cat must enter. I cannot explain now, yet it is certain it will help you. You can choose what you want with this information, of course. As for me, I think I'll go have a ponder the deeper meaning of your divination. cat. What cat? Cat in the beginning? Is that it? Oh, okay. Good afternoon. Here's the news. FEMA has taken new measures addressing ongoing visitor invasion. As of now, they have organized quarantine zones to detain potentially dangerous suspects. FEMA has also identified a new visitor sign for experimenting with those detained. Ooh. Blood red eyes. According to reports, FEMA discovered this sign observing detained visitors, noting that creatures have increased photosensitivity, causing their eyes to become inflamed and red. That's all for now. Stay calm and don't leave the house during the day. Next up, a report on FEMA. But first, a word for our sponsors. What's our sponsors? Once upon a time, two brothers lived near a dam. The daily splashing of a cup of water made the river foam like crisp beverage on a summer day. Later in life, the image of their childhood in mind, the two brothers started Bober Brewery together. Since then, Bober Cerny has become one of the best-selling. That has to be a typo. Best-selling beers. Drink the good stuff. Drank a lot. Now available. Oh, okay. Let's mess with this stupid thing. I'm not too worried about the radio. Do I have people here? Yes, I do. How are you doing? Watch them visitors would just go back underground, or wish them visitors would go back underground. What did you find it into your grave? So I sat down right on the edge, looked at nothing, and then I looked up, and far away I see someone standing there. Watched like a funeral, no eyes, but teeth white as hell, glowing almost like smiling, just standing there. I'm damn near shit myself, and I ain't going to lie. I ran real fast, that part I'm good at. He didn't come after me though, just disappeared like smoke. Some fucked up shit. That's when all this visitor mess started. I didn't let anyone in, did I? Okay. I hope this all ends soon. I'm testing your eyes. She's a visitor. Am I really a visitor? What do you think? And why do I know about it? Is that how people turn into them? Maybe it's enough to think that you're not like everyone else, that society hates you. I'm scared of dying. Wait, can you cover my eyes? Do you have some kind of bandage? Okay. Awesome. I'm not a visitor. Let's test the other guy, I guess. This guy's dead. Let's test the other guy. Let me see your eyes. Alright, you're human. Conjunctivitis Awareness Day. rest. Let's call this number. Hello, you've reached for the Rest food delivery. Would you like to place an order? Let's do that, yeah. I think your order has been accepted. Please expect your delivery tomorrow night. Awesome. I guess go to bed. Nighttime. Shake the windows. Oh! Here's neighbor's house, which he just painted white, is now charred blacker than black. Seems like the fire's still blazing even now. Could someone have burnt it down on purpose? What happened to your neighbor's family? Is anyone still alive? Worried thoughts swirl in your head. You overcome with a feeling of incomprehension and helplessness. God, shut the fuck up at the door. I don't care. The pale, creepy man is standing on the street smiling. He's holding someone's decapitated head in a bucket. Ew. It's the head of the soldier. His face is frozen in terrified grimace. You're not sure what scared him more, the pale visitor or his own impending death. Ugh. Tire squad soldiers that arrived yesterday is dead. Looks like there was a massacre out there. The bodies scattered across the whole street, and one of them is missing a head. Ugh. Did that pale, creepy stranger kill them all? What do you want with me? Good evening. I'm from FEMA. We're making house calls in your neighborhood, checking in with the residents. Why should I trust you? I can show you my credential if it will keep you at ease. Anyways, visitors rarely move in groups, maybe even never. Alright, should we wear it too? No, but we could buy some if you could buy some if it makes you feel safer. We're still in the process of studying the sun's effect on the environment. It's important for us to be careful since we're spending so much time outside. Does FEMA have action? Of course, but we can't action our plans without proof. So we'll take one people staying here back to our laboratory. Well, have them complete a few tests so we can make sure everything's above board. Then we'll send them back. Should I just wait here? Yes, once we have more information, we'll provide instructions to all citizens. You have no reason to worry at the moment. We'll just take one person, try to get back to you as soon as possible. Take care. Hey, wait, no, you took my guy! Oh, now I need to let people in. Oh, hey, thank you for the delivery. Have a good day, or I mean night. Still not used to that. Oh, you're a neighbor's girl. Hi. What happened? My dad. They killed him. No. Why? Why'd they do that? I don't know. I'm just sitting in the kitchen with Daddy, and then the kitchen, and then they did something, and they set the house on fire. Then when I ran away, I hear them laughing. Come in. You'll help me? I'm so scared. Poor kid. Hey. You open it or not? Do you know the bald man? Too many questions, yes I know. How will help you? How did you find my house? Sea City, live there. Saw your house, walk over here. Not hot here. Someone sent you here? Don't think so. Why matter? I don't think you're human. So what? Want to see me dance? Maybe I dance. I'm ballerina. Well, you decide. What will we do? He said accept... You know what? He said accept the cat. Poor dancer freezing cold. So sad. Do not torture Kitty. Kitty hates the cold. Oh, Kitty. Hey. Hey, buddy, got room for me for a stand-up guy like me? What happened to you? Nothing too crazy. Got kicked out by my mother-in-law because I threw a FEMA guy out of the house. Now she's scared they'll come knocking. Hey, gotcha, didn't I? I'm just messing with you, buddy. I'll have mother-in-law. I ain't even married. Which means I'm free to hit up the bar if you feel like grabbing a drink. Had a King's breakfast this morning. I don't know. This guy sounds like he's... I don't know. Tasting healthy. Pulling your leg. Yeah, I'm not gonna let this guy in. But all jokes aside, you let me in, buddy. You should leave. Damn, buddy. Alright, I won't bother you. I'm off. So I got two people. Girl and the... Let's go to bed. Good afternoon, you're watching the news. Due to sharp increase of suspect visitor sightings, FEMA has announced that it'll be enticing new protection measures. Effective immediately, a full quarantine will be enforced across all major population areas. Travel outside your city and nearby villages is strictly prohibited. Please stay in your designated area. In addition, FEMA has revealed a new visitor identification procedure, hairless armpits. Reports the visitor has no visible hair in there, making it useful identification tool. The agency is asking citizens to bear with all tests and comply with escorts to quarantine zones. That's all for now. Stay calm. Don't leave the house during the day. Next up, a report to what you can do if you spot a visitor. It's on TV. FEMA suggests that the visitor phenomenon is infectious or thus far undisclosed biological threat. For a reason, the critical report of any visitors is to isolate them immediately. If you can't hand them over with the visitor to quarantine zone right away, issue them to a special request of fear before FEMA. During the next collection round, an employee will take anyone who is paid for examination. That's all for now. Okay. They took that guy. So, Children's Day, and I got a kid now. I want my mommy. Tell me what happened. I don't know. They came in and started talking, and then Dad said that they were wrong, and then they said, Daddy! Daddy! Okay, just rest for now. Girl calls out for her father nonstop. There's no end to the side of heretics. Poor girl. Oh, kitty! What's this? Okay, just give me a moment, kitty. Let's talk to you. What do you need? Why are you here? What dumb question. You open the door, ask yourself for why I am. It's all the same place. Place is place. Said go here, so I went here. I don't want any money. Or any nothing. I don't want any nothing, not you. What matters is keeping this place comfy for kitty. Why does the cat matter so much? I mean, like, cool. What's down here? Food? Those potatoes? What's this? Why did I just sink down? No. Is there anything I do here? What'd I do? What'd I do, kitty? Oh. Aww. Pet the cat. You resound pet the cat. It's hard to tell if it likes it or not. Kitty. I'm testing you. Oh. I should probably test the other girl. I know she's the visitor. I know, I just need to. Okay, you're human. You want a drink? No, I don't want to kill her. I just... Let's go ahead and go to bed. Oh, I didn't even check myself. I should have left. No, I'm fine. Okay, let's see here. Oh, it's a kitty. Okay. Good evening. I'm with FEMA. We're running a routine inspection in your neighborhood. Don't worry, it won't take long. When will you return the person you took? Return? Oh, so our team's already been here. After screening, there's a mandatory... So it's a new guy. After that, they'll be sent back from the quarantine zone. Fine, if there's no other way. Don't worry, the procedures are demanded. Yes, we allowed them the time to rest. Yes! Take her. She's... Yeah. A notice? Why are you back? So you're still holed up in there, I see. What did you think of the guy in this one suit? He's just doing his job. Times are rough lately. Just one thing after another, am I right? Maybe the suits will restore order. Or should we take matters into our own hands? Can't do anything. Yes, I know! What can any one person do in this face of a disaster? Cosmic calamity? Death? So, you alone? I'm not alone. Still scrambling to survive in this new world, are we? Why? Dogs rule the world now, and only dogs survive here. You understand what I mean, right? Things will never go back the way they were. Life changed. You're falling out of rhythm. Next time we meet, things will be interesting. Why? Why will they be interesting? Wonderful, the cat's with you. What is with this fucking cat? What to do with one who brought it is for you to decide. What did you know about the cat? I see further than most, a gift that I was given. I don't see all, but you... I know what waits further down the path you walk. Something terrible comes to meet you. You are not the cause, yet you will feel its touch all the same. Perhaps they'll mention it on the radio. Will you listen? Fuck, I have to listen to radio? It's going to happen. I can't say more. I've already said too much. Treat this advice if you wish, but for 2 more days yonder, testing portends doom. When I first came here, I felt something strange. Now that I'm feeling will subside somewhat, I think we are on the right path. Hope to see you again soon. Hey, hello, I guess if that's better. Is like this your place? I mean, your house, sir? Yeah, that's fine. So, can I come in then, or are you just gonna leave me out here? Couldn't find a basement or any other decent hiding spot, so here I am. Why are you hiding out in basement? I'm traveling, I guess. Want to see the world, different places. Maybe if I find a new home. Sometimes you just run into total jokes. Come in. Wait, what? You should leave. I'm not kicking out the girl. I'm not kicking her out. Sorry to bother you, but do you have a moment? I just feel awful. Could I maybe talk to you? What happened? I just wanted to provide a little hope for kids who had been abandoned. Called Tainted. Any child feared that they might be a visitor. They lived to old kindergarten. Oh, so she's a teacher. Wait, no, she said she lived. Of the children. They all died in the flames. Townsfolk did it, terrified that they might actually. They forced me to watch. First day locked down doors. Come in. Thank you for listening. Is that it? Emergency broadcast. Wildfires are sweeping across the forested regions. Experts believe high solar activity is to blame. While the full-scale disaster remains unclear, fire crews... So are they covering... So who burnt the house down? Was it FEMA or the visitors? Because if it's FEMA, they're covering it up. Visitors continue to terrorize nation. FEMA has not identified sign. They're fighting against visitors. Film photography. Stay calm indoors during daylight hours. So this is just a camera. Okay, let's see if I can make this work. I hate this fucking radio. Where's the cat? Oh, kitty. Pet the cat. I know, kiddo. How you holding up good here? Poor kid. Let's test you. Ugh. They're red. What if I do the pictures? The picture... What am I looking at here? See your teeth. Okay, well. Leave her alone. Let's enter basement. See if there's anything to do now. No. Okay. Anything? No. Guess just go to bed. See a woman crying over her wounded husband. Oh, is that the mom? I can't tell if he's alive or dead. Tears streak, she drags the heavy body on the way from the gunfire. You're left with a single thought: things could only get worse. Aww, poor kid. Wait, why are you on the floor? You need to go on the chair. You can sleep in my bed. I'll sleep on the floor. Path long littered with bodies, those who try to run. Female officers hold up rifle drifting in the barrel. Ugh. Wait, there's a... She's crying too. Panicked people rush to nearby houses. They bang on doors, desperate for shelter. Wait, I haven't heard a door knock. Why haven't I heard a door knock? Oh. I see. Looks like no one's coming else tonight. Well, we interrupt this program with breaking news. Reports civil unrest roaming from the neighboring city. Due to unresolved circumstances, FEMA's forces have sealed off the area. Please remain in your homes. Stay where you were. Remember that FEMA joined the fight against visitors. The latest for now. Next up, some ads. Now, I'm going to go ahead and end it off here. After I find the cat. Hey! Hi! Anyways, I'm going to leave off the episode here. If you want more, just post a comment or like the video. Subscribe, hit the bell if you actually want to see more of this stuff. Well, see you guys later.